Hi everyone, this is Surbi from Digification. Let's learn how you can set up an e-commerce store on WordPress using one single plugin, which is WooCommerce. As you know, WordPress is very easy to even extend. So suppose you have built a website already and you want to add e-commerce functionality to your website, or from starting only you want to have an e-commerce website. All you have to do is go to plugins, add new plugin, search for the plugin called WooCommerce. Let's check the WooCommerce plugin here. Here you go. Make sure you see this is WooCommerce Buy Automatic. Install and activate. This one single plugin would add all the functionalities for you, where you can add products, you could add the pricing, you could add your cart options, checkout options. All of this would be done by one single plugin. Install and activate. On the left right now you can see post and pages. The moment this is installed, you will also see products as the feature. So here you can simply go and set up my store. You could choose any of the above. I'm just starting my business. You could just add all the things you want to add here. Let's say I'm adding health and beauty, and continue. You may continue. With this one single plugin, now you'll see two options. One would be your view store, which is going to be your shop page. Let's see that. It will build all the pages for you, your cart page, checkout page. All the functionalities will be added to your website using this one single plugin. Here we go. Now you can see WooCommerce as a section. You can see products as a section where you can add products. You can add categories and segregate the products into those categories. You'll find your orders, customers, reports, everything here. All the settings you should see here. And you can start customizing your store. You could choose a theme and start on it. Let's go back for now. And here you can see visit site, which was your default page or the site which you have already created. And then you have visit store, which is going to be your shop page. You can see cart, checkout, my account, shop, all the things are added here. And now you can start adding products to your shop. Let's go back to the dashboard. Here you can see visit site and visit store. The store is created from WooCommerce, wherein all the products, all the functionalities are already added for you.